Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into.
Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering the art of WordPress shortcodes. WordPress shortcodes are powerful tools that allow you to add dynamic functionality to your website effortlessly. Let's take a look at an example. Say you want to display a contact form on your website. Instead of manually coding it, you can simply use a shortcode like in WordPress will generate the form for you. Shortcodes can be used for a variety of tasks. Need to embed a video? Insert the shortcode. Want to display a gallery? Use the shortcode. The possibilities are endless. To make the most of these shortcodes, it's important to understand their documentation. Each shortcode comes with its own set of attributes and values that you can customize to fit your needs. To use a shortcode, simply place it within the content editor of your WordPress website. Customize the attributes and values, then preview your changes. It's that easy. Remember, shortcodes can be used in posts, pages, widgets, and even custom theme files. They provide you with the flexibility and control to enhance your website's functionality. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced WordPress user, mastering the art of WordPress shortcodes will take your website to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful WordPress tutorials.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.